All right, I got her out here finally. Rain let up a little bit. And she likes the puddles. Oh, yeah. Run through over here. Run over here.
Huh?
Go over there. Go through that puddle.
Huh?
Yeah, walk over there. Go ahead. Say, come over here. You come over here? Woo! Oh, you get water in your face? Come here, I'll get it out. Come here. Come here, girl. You got a little dirt. That's okay. We're good. Oh man, my camera's getting wet on my phone. Are you ready to go back in? You want to go inside? You want to go inside?
No.
No? You like playing in the rain? It's like she's doing a little dance. Well, quit splashing yourself in the eye. You keep doing it. Come here. I know, sweetie. All right. Okay.